Hi viewers, welcome to SH Maths Academy. This is D. Srinivas in front of you. Today I am going to explain trigonometric exercise problems. Depends on trigonometric table. Already you know very well. I hope you are all is well. So you have to practice nicely. I hope you have to practice trigonometric table very nicely. Then if you know the trigonometric table in your mind, these kind of questions are very easy of you. Come, let us see the question. 4 by 3 tan square 30 sin square 60 minus 3 cos square 60 minus 2 tan square 45 plus 3 by 4 tan square 60. This one question is there in front of you. By the knowledge of trigonometric table, we have to solve this question. Solution. Yes, 4 by 3 should write as it is. Yes, you know very well. Tan square 30 by the table, tan 30 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 substitute whole power 2 plus sin 60 from the table, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square. Yes, minus 3 cos square 60. Sin 30 cos 60 same. Sin 30 1 by 2. So that cos 60 also 1 by 2 whole square. Minus 2 tan 45 is 1 whole square will be there. You put it whole square as it is. Tan square 60 nothing but root 3 whole square. Every bracket is having power 2. That is the reason we have to keep power 2 also. Now 4 by 3 1 square value 1 root 3 whole square value means 3 only plus root 3 whole square value square root will be cancelled 3 only 2 square value 4. It is in the form of a power m by b power m. That is nothing but root 3 whole square by 2 square. Square root cancel 3 will come 2 square value 4 minus 3 of 1 by 4. You know as you know 2 of 1 whole square nothing but 1 will come. Now plus 3 by 4 square root will be cancelled. We should get only 3. Now 4 1 is 4. Product of numerators by product of denominators. 3 3 is 9. Right? Plus 3 by 4. You should write now. Here not 3 1 is 3 by 4. Minus 2. 3 3 is 9 by 4. So plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 get cancelled. Now we are getting remaining terms are 4 by 9 minus 2 plus 9 by 4. Anything is not there, take the denominator as 1. Here 4 1 9. We have to do the LCM. 4 1 9. 4 and 9 both are the distinct number. The LCM will be 36 as you know very well. Right? 9 will divide 36 4 ja 4 into numerator 4 4 ja 16. Right? 1 divides 36 36 are 36 into numerator 2 36 2 ja 72 plus 4 will divide 36 9 ja 4 9 ja 36. The quotient will multiply with the numerator 9 into 9 81. Right? So here 81 plus 16 97 minus 72 by 36. That is nothing but 25 by 36. This is your simplification value of your question is 25 by 36. If you know the trigonometric table, that kind of questions are very easy. Sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 91. Right? So my dear children, you have to observe. If you know the table in your mind, these kind of questions are very easy. Now we are going to do let us such a good question. One more question I should explain. See once. One more trigonometric question depends on table. Find the value of cos square 45 degree, sin 30, 1 by 2 sin square 90, 4 tan square 30, 1 by 2 8 cot square 60, cosec 30 minus cot square 30 plus 60. You have to find them all. Big question is there. We should get small answers. See that. Dear viewers, see by the table. Keep the mind. Cos 45. Yes, sin 45, cos 45. 1 by root 2 only. In our previous video, did you check it this technique? Now sin 30. 1 by 2 only. Power 2. 1 by 2. Sin 90. 1. God is sin 90. God is sin 90. 1 only. Sin 90 whole square. 4 tan square 30. Tan 30. 1 by root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3 whole square. Plus 1 by cos 60 tan 30. Both are same. So it is also 1 by root 3 whole square by cos 60 cosec 30 2. Cosec 30 sec 60 same. Cos 30 root 3 whole square plus it is also 2. Cosec 30 sec 60 both are same. Now simplification. We have to require simplification. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 only. 1 square. 1 root 2 whole square. Square root cancel. 2 will be there. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 square means 1. 2 square means 4. A by b whole power of m. A power of m by 2 to the power of b power of m. Like this. Yes. Means 1 square. 2 square. Next. Plus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 only. Plus 4 into 1 by root 3 whole square, nothing but 1 by 3 only. Plus 1 by 8, 1 by root 3 whole square, it is also 1 by 3 only. Right? Next, 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Root 3 whole square means 3. Right? Next, 1 into 1, 1. 2, 4, 8. Plus 1 by 2 only. Plus 4, 1 4 by 3 only, plus 1 1 by 8 3 24 by 4 minus 3 1. Yes, chalo. Here 1 2 3 4. 4 terms are having denominators are distinct denominators. Here 4 terms are having distinct denominator. Let us go with LCM. So 24 is the multiple of 2. 24 is the multiple of 3. 24 is the multiple of 8. So bigger number is the LCM. What is the bigger number here? 24. That is the technique you should follow in the exams. 8 divides 24. 3 is 3 into 1. 3. 2 divides 24. 12 12 into numerator 1. 12 1 is 12. 24 divides 3 divides 24. 8 8 into 4. 32. 24 divided to 24. 1 into 1 1. So simply we can say that 32 plus 12 plus 3 plus is all the thing terms nothing but 48 by 24. 24 1 24 2 Our answer is 2. Our answer is 2. You see, this is a large question. We should get small answer. But these all things, all the values are I filled by as a student. I filled by with the technique of table. You see that video, you understand the technique, you can complete this kind of questions in any competitive exam, in board exams also. Okay, I hope you have to understand this answer very clearly. And do you want any kind of doubts, you have to see my video and chat with me, and you encourage my videos, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.